These refrigerator switches go bad all the time, so when you open up your refrigerator, there's no light on. It's almost like I replace this switch about every year. Sometimes I pull it apart, I clean the contacts, but whatever it is, it's probably about 1 year. I'll show you how to remove it. If you take a butter knife and you'll slide in, you're going to be retracting this little plastic clip right here. The little plastic tab is on this flat side, so if you take your butter knife and you put it under here, you can feel that retract and give a little bit of pressure and it just pops right out that easy. Now you can pull this out, and at this point you've got to have the power turned off because you don't want to get shocked. To remove this plug, there's these two little tabs right here and right here. If you take your butter knife, just kind of spread it, give a little bit of tension on the wires, and it'll just pop right out like that. Here's the new switch. Here's the number that you can look online to get the new one. The plug only goes in one way, so just push it until it snaps in. Now take this end, push it all the way in, and just snap it like that, and that's it. Flip the refrigerator back on. Now when you open up the refrigerator, the light is on. If you want to see the tag for the inside of the refrigerator, that's it.